I was looking at your beautiful hair.
So look, we took the floor clear out in here. The ceiling's gone. We took out this frame right here. Everything was.
And use the pry bar now. Just rip it. And now you got a hole.
We're here today with Team Rubicon, and they were so awesome. They're helping save people's lives in their homes and bring them back to restoration. We're having a lot of fun doing it. Hey everybody, this is Lady Gaga, and I'm with Team Rubicon. Everybody say hello! Make sure we get a good look and a good view of all these amazing, amazing folks that every day are changing lives all over. And today we have
Renee.
This is Renee.
Gloria.
They're here.
Kathy with Premier.
And they are all here helping out Pamela with her house.
Thank you so much, Lady Gaga. Thank you so much.
Pamela, say hi.
Thank you so much, Lady Gaga. Oh, God bless you. I need you so much. You've been such a great help.
I just wanted to tell you that we love you, and anything that we could do for you, we wanted to. And we got in there and we ripped out all that bad shit that was in your house today. And it's gone, okay?
All right, thank you. Have a great fun.
Oh, by the way, you're invited to the show if you want to come. By the way, you guys, you're all invited to the show tonight. Every single one of you. See ya.
It ain't nobody going. Yeah, we are.